Hope you guys are ready for an interesting day and an interesting rest of the week. I got a couple of fun announcements over here for you guys this morning. We're going to have some fun the rest of the week. We have NFP Friday. We've already had a very interesting week. We've got to recap the Etsy stuff from yesterday. Because, again, remember how we were making jokes yesterday on the stream that we didn't have a 10x trade with LTMP yet? It was like, oh, we went a day without 1,000% trade. Yeah, that didn't happen. We ended up hitting one. So, again, we have some updates on LTMP. We got an interesting market ahead here, though, guys. We're going to do public live for the rest of the week. So, that's part of it. But, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of day again. Say good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me, would love to receive some good mornings over here. If you guys are new to the group, new to the stream, let me know. I'd love to welcome you guys in here. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the way in. Costs you absolutely nothing to do it, but it helps me out a whole lot. Spreading these streams out to as many people who actually want to learn. Again, I'm the only person that you guys know on the internet that has been demonetized by YouTube for talking about how many 10x trades that they hand out to their group here with proof. I mean, what are we at now? 23 in the last 2.5 months with like 13 of them in the last 2.5, 3 weeks. Nobody else is doing the things that we're doing in there. So let's see who we got in here, ladies and gentlemen. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. We'll do a couple of announcements before market open. We've got some fun ones. So we'll see as everybody starts filtering in here. And then we'll get after it. So who do we have? We have Jerry, Rogue, Michael, Adrian, Gerald, Christopher, Basket, Eddie, Ian, Alex, Diego, Todd, Adrian, another 1,000% gains today. Dude, I don't know. I mean, I didn't think we were gonna get yesterday, and then you guys nailed Etsy for it. We're gonna cover that one as well. What else we got here? Hold on. Kimberly, Jesse, Cole, Sven, Randy, Cole, B-Dash, Rogue, Chanley, Sammy, Iro, Todd, Julian, BTD, Geo, Be Free, Vivian, David, GC, Neo, Alfie, Bardistas, Romeo, Junior, Gene. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, again, let's do our little bit of an announcement right now. So here's what's gonna happen. So the prices for LTMP we're gonna be going up tomorrow, but what do you call it? Doing it midweek just doesn't seem like the right place to do it. So what I'm gonna do for all of you guys is I'm gonna give all of you until Friday to hop into LTMP, lock in the lower rate before the prices go up. But there's a catch. There's a catch. Because now that I'm giving you guys a little bit of extra time here, the discount code and the amount of spots that are left are now limited. So we're going to do public lives for the rest of the week here. It's the last week before the prices go up for LTMP, giving you guys that opportunity. But there are limited spots to use code September to get 50% off your first month. There are 50 spots. So for those of you guys that still need to hop in there, make sure you guys take advantage of that. You guys have seen the results of LTMP. Again, there is nobody else doing the things that we are doing in the market. If they were, they would be able to show you guys these level of results that I do each and every single day. So that's how it's going to go this week. We'll do public lives for the rest of the week. Back to our normal schedule next week. But yeah, take advantage. There's limited spots left to join LTMP, lock in the lower rate, which I don't know. So maybe some of you guys, there's a little language barrier. When I say lock in the lower rate, it means that the prices are never going to go up on you. So, Datadog also better hurry up. Yeah, Cole. I mean, we're going to keep getting you going over there too with these good trades. Datadog ripped yesterday too. Did it? All right. Let's see here. Chipotle looking good. Lulu, again, Chipotle and Lulu could be very interesting. J&J not really doing anything. TTD moving back up. Remember how we were talking about this one on the stream yesterday? I mean, ripper. Everybody's already free on this one. Let's see here. Hit that first target yesterday. We'll see what happens moving forward. And then let's see here. What else? Oh, I mean, we can cover the Etsy trade. So, like, guys, over the weekend, Etsy was one of the names that was included in the watch list for LTMP here. Now, the entry was around 65. Now, there was a lot of volatility with this one, and I actually had this yesterday, but I had to cut it since it came down and hit the day low. But there's a lot of different ways that you can manage risk. You're too nice? I know I'm too nice. But again, there's only 50 spots left to hop into LTMP. Friday is the absolute last day before prices go up. But you still have a couple days left to jump in, get 50% off your first month, but there's limited spots. So take advantage of it before the spots run out, because that I'm not going to be nice with. When you guys fill those 50 spots, that's it. But, so there's a lot of different ways that you can manage risk with LTMP. One of the ways is just sizing for zero and forgetting about it. That's completely predefining your risk. And a lot of you guys ended up doing that and holding out Etsy here for yet another 10x trade. I mean, I can go over here and take a look at some of, at some of the community gains from yesterday. Etsy, 428%. You've got, what else? Where's the big one? There, catch me if you can over here. This is epic here. 1,381%. So up $8,200 on that trade. I mean, that was just insane, guys. Like, I don't know how many more of these that you guys need to see. I seriously don't. There's nobody else on the internet that has been outlining and handing out these 10x trades over here like candy. It's just, it's not, nobody else is doing this. You guys are all spoiled, honestly, that you guys get to see this all the time, because it's like, this is something that the trading space, the investing space has literally never seen before. Where's Neo going? We'll take a look. I mean, it's got a decent setup on the daily here. It's probably not one that I would go out and trade. It does, if you can hold this range here and just kind of keep chopping around, get some good news. The big level to break on Neo is this high. It's like 771. If you can break there, you can easily make a very, very fast move into the 8s. But again, if the market starts to stutter around a little bit and you start to lose like this 690 area, you can easily come back down into this range. So those are kind of the two kind of scenarios there with Neo. The record profit percentage in LTMP this year is 8,000 something percent. Didn't see Lulu on the recent list. Look again. AMAT thoughts? I told you guys yesterday in market chat I cut AMAT right near close. I really want that. I really wanted to hold it. Like, I really did. But then that daily candle was just so gnarly. I was just like, I'll cut those at break even and just be done with it. Starbucks basin break? That would be interesting. Nah, I mean, I'd like it to set up in here. That's not really a base. The new setups, Altria, Lulu, and yeah, Lulu we've been talking about, Chipotle we've been talking about. Altria, that was your ticker, Alfie. That was really good. You going for that? Guys, 8,000, what was it? So we had, I think we've had 2 trades this year with LTMP that were 8,000% or really close to it. I know we've had this Kohl's trade was 6,300%. We've had a lot of 3,000%ers. 5,000% OKLO, I think was one, or IO and Q was one of those two. Those are both really big. What's the Lulu entrance point? It is on the watch list in LTMP. Palantir. Palantir looks good. Palantir's on the watch list too. I like this one right here, 185.66. That break there would be interesting. If that hits, I'd be very interested in that. So that's another one that's been on the watch list. We'll see what happens with it. Market, little bit of drama this morning, but nothing too crazy. TTD. Oh, here's the other thing that I was gonna say about TTD. The Tesla 8,000% was last year, I think. The one thing I haven't seen that we're hunting for is I haven't seen anybody hit, what do you call it? 10,000%. Does David want to, ooh, we could do that. We could give David his own, what do you call it? His own channel in there. That would be pretty sick. And again, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot spreading these streams. Now remember, I don't make money from these streams, guys. This is, I'm the only person that you guys know that YouTube demonetized for talking about how many 10x trades that they call out. And then once YouTube did that, I was like, oh yeah, screw you, YouTube. And then I called out 22 of them. And those of you guys sitting on the sidelines missed every single one of them. Everyone. I'm going to keep doing it. It's going to keep happening. Yeah, we could do that. I could actually add that in there. Because you've missed a lot of his tickers? Yeah, okay, I can do that for you guys today. Baba? No, I don't like Baba here. I've seen it. It's just not. It's too wild on that chart right now for me to want to do anything. Lulu, I am interested. Lulu, Chipotle, Palantir, Apple, those all look good. Those all look really good, guys. So, woo, we are almost 40, we're 39 likes away from 100. We might be able to hit the 200 like goal today, guys. Or at some point this week, because we are going to do public lives for the rest of the week. Because again, you guys have now, I'm being nice with you guys. I'm being nice. You guys have until Friday to lock in the lower rate for LTMP, but the catch now is now that I've extended it by a couple of days, so it's at the end of the week, there's limited spots left to use code September. So there's only 50 spots. If you guys want to hop in, get 50% off your first month, lock in the lower rate, which at this point, if you're not in there, I literally don't know what you're doing. Think about how many of the think about in just the last 2 weeks what I've shown you guys. Apple 1,300%, ASTS 500%. There was another 500%er in there too. There was so like there's too many to count at this point. It's getting really ridiculous. Raul, I can't because I'm, what do you call it? We're doing the streams for a reason. So, like, we talk about too many tickers during the streams too for me to then be like, oh, what did I talk about? Like, I'm not gonna do the stream and watch a bit. Like, if there's one that I really like, it'll end up in the watch list. How much is it getting raised? A lot. Well, remember, prices are eventually going to $199 a month. So, you guys all have the opportunity to lock it in lower. I'm fine with you guys paying the higher rate, but Tether bought $1 billion worth of Bitcoin in one transaction. Did they really? That's pretty crazy. All right, we got 4 minutes to go until open. Oh, TTD moving again. Oh, this is the other thing that we didn't talk about yet. Everybody pay attention. So, when we're looking at TTD and the target that we hit yesterday at like 50.21 where you guys all made it free, that's great. You can hold to that second big target at 55.58. Now, that's a little aggressive. It's pretty aggressive up there. If you want to, there's another level here at 52.84. If you want to trim there as well. You left a bunch of money on the table for Etsy, but still hit 200%. That's great. That's awesome. I mean, you guys know the deal. Nobody's ever seen a group of retail traders do what we're doing in LTMP before. It isn't happening anywhere else. Just like, and there's a really, really simple reason for that. It's just the way that the group is run. You know? If you want to have different results than everybody else, guys, you got to think and act differently than they do. And our results speak for themselves. It's crazy what we've been able to do. So, you guys have a couple days. Limited spots, though, on the September code for 50% off your first month. UNFI? Oh, post-earnings? Probably not. I mean, again, guys, I like to stick to the big ones on the post-earnings. Up 10%. That chain's probably going to be really bad. I'm probably going to leave that one alone. It qualifies, but I don't really see the need to be doing that. Alex, his Etsy runners hit 1,778% yesterday. Guys, where else are you going to see that? You're 18 timesing your initial investment. Like, what are we doing here? So I'll throw the link to LTMP in the chat for you. It is pinned to the top there, and it's the first one in the description. So here you guys go. Again, prices go up Friday. If you want to lock in the lower rate, never have the price raised on you, and get 50% off your first month, use code September. But there's limited spots. So once those spots go, that's it. There's no, you could do it today, you could do it tomorrow. Who knows? But once those spots go, that's it. Prices go up. How do you get the next J&J price targets? What do you mean? Like, what do you mean the next ones? It's just big levels on the chart. That's it. Ooh, J&J getting whacked there a little. That's no fun. It's just easy. 183.36, 186.68. Very simple. Very simple. All right, 20 seconds to go. What the heck just happened here? SCV, I started a small account to take my parents on vacation like 2 weeks ago, and it's already 3x. Your parents appreciate you. Guys, Cole's a college student over here, just absolutely printing all the time. Every single one of you guys can do this. It's just like, it's mind-boggling to me that more people don't do this in the market. They just like want to decide to go out and lose money. I don't know why they do that. All right, that was probably some nonsense with J&J, but we'll see. TTD looks good. Let's see what we got here. Lulu, nothing yet. Chipotle, nothing yet. Let's see. I know what we're doing here, making money. And remember, guys, we're never in a rush to do anything. The LTMP methodology is always going to keep you safe. Less trades, more profits. Here comes J&J. Come on, buddy. I'd love to see it try and get up to that 183.36 today. That's a bit aggressive though for J&J. We'll see though. It'd be great if it did. That'd be awesome if it did. GME. Is it setting up? No. It's just running back towards those highs. That's it. Nothing. 150 likes. We might hit the 200 like goal today. Well, we probably will do it because I'm going to be going live at this time every day for the rest of the week. And then we go back to our normal schedule next week. Neo. Is it running? Ooh, Neo moving a little there. There we go. Again, I have 4,000 shares of Neo at 455. There's not, again, it's not a big position. I'm treating it like an option. If they're able to execute, great. Maybe it re-rates to 15, 20, 30. Like, it'd be great if we saw that. But who knows? You know? Yeah, keep smacking. We could do it on the like button today. We're only 18 away from 100. Then we're halfway to the goal, and we still got a lot of time left. I will have to end the stream early today, though, just because I have people coming to plug the hole in my ceiling. Because some intellectual superstar decided to leave their sink running 2 weeks ago, and it just leaked everywhere in my apartment. So, Cole's hating on Etsy. I know, Etsy was very, very annoying yesterday. Again, following the rules is always going to keep you safe. Like, I cut. But did you really see me get all that upset about me cutting Etsy before the move? No. Lulu today? Well, I don't know. We'll see. If it breaks, it breaks. If it doesn't, it doesn't. J&J looking really good here. TTD looking really good here as well. There's new highs on TTD, baby. Ooh, we're having some fun today already. J&J candle. Yeah, so that, I mean, you guys that had some shorter dated J&Js, you did have this target right here, like 181.17. The big one, the big first one, though, is 183.36. Next target on TTD here, I mean, the aggressive one is 55.58, but what is it? 52.84 is not a bad spot either. Oscar weekly breakout? I think I've looked at that. I think I might have liked it, actually. It's not bad. It's just not the best. It's just a little bit of a wonky. Like, where are you going to put your risk here? Like, where's the entry? Where's the first spot on the chart that it's looking like it's about to explode? Like, there really isn't a spot on this one that looks good. CLF still going? Is it? Yeah, that's a Dave ticker. Oh, not really. It's looking okay. I mean, BTU was a good one. I mean, guys, I'm just taking a look at the community gain section from LTMP right now a little bit. 428% Etsy, 358% BTU. Lost in Lake Balboa making what? That's, let's see, that's $2 grand, 2,100, 2,200, $3,400. I mean, that's just ridiculous, dude. That's yesterday. I mean, guys, you're never going to see anything like what we're doing in LTMP ever again. Like, think about it like this. How many more of these massive 10x trades that I'm going to outline for everybody are you just going to sit here on the sidelines and actively choose not to hit and not know how to trade? I don't know. I'm going to keep doing it. LYV, let me take a look. Nah, I mean, it's fish hooking a little bit here. I'd give this a week or two, and then maybe you could get a nice little setup on that. But nothing yet. Market, come on. Market coming down there is hurting TTD a little. J&J still looks phenomenal. This could end up getting a mind of its own. BTU was Jag. It could have been, but Dave shared that one with us. That was one that David shared with us. Cut half your TTDs. Nice. Those should be up over 100%. John, I don't care what Lulu's doing on the 5-minute. Chipotle's got to just, like, hold this range here. I don't know if it's going to do it. That's fine. It's not. It hasn't triggered an entry yet. TTD, 23% on shares. Caesar, great work, man. Great work as usual. Ooh, 10 likes away from 100, folks. There we go. But yeah, guys, there is only 50 spots left to get 50% off your first month to LTMP. I'm planning on the price increase happening on Friday if you guys don't take all those spots. But as soon as all those spots are taken, that's it. Prices go up. So, again, make sure you guys lock in the lower rate. The price will never go up on you. And you guys can come in here and learn how to nail these absolutely insane trades with us all the time. If you guys have any questions about what you get in there with us, just let me know. I mean, the reason why you see everybody having such different and better results is because the group is different than anything that you guys have ever seen. It logically makes a lot of sense. You want to have different results than everybody else, you got to think and act differently than they do. Wolf breaking. That looks good. I'm probably staying away from that, though. Palo alerted? I don't really see a setup here. 50% on J&J so far. There you go. Marvel starting to set up a little. Yeah, it's getting there. It needs a couple of days, though. Yeah, I don't know what you guys are looking at on Palo there. There's not really a setup here. It's probably an old alert or something. It's probably... Yeah, I honestly don't know. There's nothing there. TTD looks good. I'd love to see J&J get ripping a little bit there. Yeah, we got some interesting setups here. What about HIMS? How's HIMS looking? SoFi, how are those looking today? HIMS actually might start to set up here. That'd be fun again. Remember, guys, I mean, again, you're getting all of, like, the trading stuff, but think about all of the mid to long-term investment ideas that I've given you guys as well. Like, Palantir in the teens, SoFi at 655, Neo at 455, Philip Morris at 95, Robinhood at 30. Like, there's so many of them, guys. HIMS at 30, and then also back down in here at 43. MEXX. She looks good. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Let's see what happens with it. Oh, there goes J&J a little. Neo's almost over 770. Is it really? No, no. That needs a lot more. I mean, yes, obviously 756 to 770 is not that much, but percentage moves, that's a decent move. GME, there's nothing there for you on it right now. It might set up over the next few days here, but as of right now, there's nothing on GME for you. Again, guys, you got to think about it like this too. When you guys see the LTMP group almost every single week nailing multiple 10x trades, the reason for that is because I'm so picky with what we look at. I'm only looking for the best setups in the market. I'm finding stocks that are about to explode before they do. And as you guys can see over and over again, very, very, very good at it. Like, you guys could just be done this week off of, like, TTD and if you nailed Etsy. Well, definitely if you nailed Etsy, you're done this week. IBM setting up again? Yeah, then I want to look at SoFi. Yeah, it is. IBM was another big 10Xer here. Like, think about it, guys. There's been 23. There's probably more, honestly, that I'm forgetting. 23 10X trades that the LTMP group has nailed. Think about if you just hit 2 of them or 3 of them. Where would your account be versus where it is right now? It'd probably be a lot higher. Think of if you hit 10 of them or 15. And think of if you listened to me 10 10X trades ago, 15 10X trades ago when I told you I was going to keep doing this. And then I said it last week and said, hey guys, I'm going to do it again. And then you get Etsy. Pay attention or pay a premium. I want to take a look at SoFi first. Where's that? Ooh, that's not a good looking chart there on SoFi. Uh-oh. HI. That's interesting. That probably looks really good on the weekly. PRGS. No. You think Coin is setting up? No. Hood is at 140. Jeez, guys. Yeah, when I was selling puts on that thing at what, 30, and I started telling you guys, I was like, you guys know what happens when I start selling puts on things, right? You probably should buy it. Like, I'll show you where it was. You guys are gonna be like, STV, what are you doing? This is just magic over here. It was this day, I think. Where is this? Yeah, it was actually this day. It was the bottom. Neo 771. Damn, that thing moved quick. There we go, Neo. It's not really a trade. I'm not going to be trading that, but like that looks really good. New highs, ladies and gentlemen. There we go on Neo. There we go. That's nice. That's always fun to see. How are we doing today? I would assume pretty well. I think things are getting a little spready. Yeah. I think the J&Js are a little spready. J&J's moving here a little. If J&J can get up to that 183.36 area here today, that's a good target. You have 10 contracts of Neo expiring this Friday. Oh, Ryan. Oh, boohoo. I'm Ryan. I didn't nail Etsy for 1,000%, but I've nailed every other 1,000%er that STV has called out in the last 4 weeks. Oh, boohoo. Oh, guys, we are almost halfway there on the like button. We have a 200 like goal on the streams. What's everyone's next target on Neo? It's very obvious. Well, all right. Just kidding. Honestly, 955 you could look for. That's kind of the next big one. The message that I get from you guys in LTMP too are so funny. It's just like, I saw one yesterday that was like, people are gonna start thinking we have insider information with all the trades that we're nailing. It's like, yeah, I know they are. No, because like, think about it. How else can you explain away, without saying that I'm one of the best in the world at doing this for everybody, how else can then, let's just put that aside and just say that that's not the case. But how else would you explain that I've been calling out the like 23 10x trades in the last 2 months? He's cheating. Here comes J&J moving. TTD, they're just flashing around. You have contacts with Nancy Pelosi? I don't have contacts with Nancy Pelosi, actually. All right, Johnson & Johnson. Double Johnson, here we go. Sorry, we were making that joke the first day of J&J. Sorry. I want to see it hit that area there. 183.36 would be big time on that one, guys. What my whole plan with this one, though, is I want to make it free for earnings. Have some freebie J&Js going into earnings. That would be incredibly fun. Lulu's getting close here too. Lulu's getting very close. Also, for those of you guys that are not in LTMP, that have not gone through the course curriculum videos, these are not for you guys to be going out and trading. The whole point of LTMP, it's too many of you guys, and I see this too often. Everybody's always focused on, ooh, send me trade, I want to make money. And it's like, no. You want to have long-term success in the market? The reason why you see everybody in LTMP having so much more success than everybody else is because I force you to do 3 things. One is to fully understand the exact reasons why and where you're entering the trade where you are. The second is how you're going to manage the trade when you are in it. The third is exactly where and why you're going to exit. When you can fully understand the reasoning behind your execution, it gives you such a high level of confidence that you're never going to make these silly mistakes, and you're able to just start to learn to be just a market savage like the rest of everybody here. So again, there's a reason why this is so you're seeing results that are so much different than everybody else's. It's because of the way I run things. It's built to give you guys the skills to have long-term success. So again, there's only, I don't know how many spots are left now after you guys probably took a few of them already. So again, we're gonna do public lot. There's Lulu. So again, we're gonna do public lives throughout the rest of this week, and I'm gonna be giving you guys until Friday now to hop into LTMP before the prices go up. But because I'm being nice to you guys, now there's only limited spots for the 50% off your first month with code September. So again, once that happens, that's it. Prices go up. So make sure you guys take advantage before it's too late, man. I mean, you guys see it every single day. Rip CMG, where'd it go? It's still in the range. I mean, this thing still could do it. Ooh, market's starting to move up there. There you go. TTD not really playing ball, though. We'll see what happens with that one. SMCI? Nah, it looks okay. It's just not really one that I want right now. Started early today. Well, no, I'm always live at this time. It's just usually I'm live privately for LTMP. We're gonna do the public live for the rest of the week, though. I do have to jump earlier today, though. Like, I'll probably be done at 10:30 because like there's people coming in to plug my hole. I can't imagine being on these streams and not being in the Discord. It would hurt my brain. I know. I don't, Alfie. I really don't know how these. Like, imagine looking at what we've done. Like, especially for all of you guys that are in it. Like, imagine like being the type of individual that's looking at what we've done, what I've showcased, and you guys see all the behind the scenes and everything that we do, and then being like, what would the thought process for you guys to then be like, oh, I'm not gonna do that? You'd be like, why would I like? So here's the link. It's in the live chat. It's pinned to the top for those of you guys as well. Yeah, TTD back up there a little bit. J&J looks good. That's what she said. I was actually planning on giving you guys a clip. Hold on. Do you want me to give you guys a clip? I can give you a clip. Don't clip that. I actually can do it in a way to give you guys a better clip. I was thinking about starting off the stream with it. You guys can clip that one though. You can use that one. Because I was thinking about there's a way for me to do it that'll make it better. Lulu probably not gonna play ball. It's very tight wrist though. It's 177. It's the stop. So we'll see if it wants to play ball or not. But again, the thing that you'll come to learn is that, like, again, like, the outcome of one individual trade, guys, is so meaningless when you guys start to realize that every single one of the trades that I outlined for everybody has the potential to run multi-hundreds and multi-thousands of percent. That's why I'm able to show you guys the consistent level of just, like, big 10x trades all the time. J&J, I mean, this thing could get screaming here. That'd be nice. You're demonetized, don't get banned too. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Clip acquired. Alright, fine. Fine. I was gonna do it in a way where we'd be like, sorry guys, I have a bunch of men coming to play. Like, I was gonna say it that way so that you guys could get a clip. But no. Alright, let's see what we got here today. Where's my baby actually? How's that doing? It's alright. Where's Facebook? Just drilling. Where's Nova today? Wolf's going? Was that on the list or we just talked about that one? Yeah, Wolf is looking good there. Called out some great trades this week? Yes, you have, Alfie. And that's the other beautiful thing about LTMP too, guys. Like, I will see 85, 90% of what's happening in the market. But the beautiful thing is too, is we just have a hive mind of people just hunting for these. We're like Eagle Eye. We see everything. Like, if you guys were to think of a stock that's made, like a widely traded stock that's made a massive move over the last 2 months here, just know that we've highlighted it and been all over it way before everybody else. It's just the way that we operate, you know? You're in Wolf? Nice. So, I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to keep showing you guys the most disgusting results in the market. And at some point, maybe after the next 20 10x trades, you guys are going to be like, huh, maybe he knows what he's doing here. It's like, Vix's Axelrod were his minions. You're my quants. My quantitatives. We actually might hit the 200 like goal today. Wow, I don't know. We probably will do it at some point this week. Just because, like, tomorrow, the stream will be longer. It'll go till like 11. I have a very busy week, though. I have a special delivery today. Very special delivery. Very excited. I got a lot of cool plans this week. This guy knows a thing or three? Yeah. We do have NFP Friday, which could funk things up a little bit. Get a little funky. I'm a recent hater convert. Used to be a hater. Now I'm a believer. ST. There we go. Well, it's tough. Again, like, it's tough not to be a believer, man. It's just like, it's like I'm just shoving all of the, like, it's just in your face, you know? Like, it's hard not to see it. Like, I make it very easy for you guys to see how good this is. Yeah, welcome, man. Lulu. Yeah, it's moving. We'll see what happens with it. First target. Bing. 186.14. Red Sox Yankees tonight? I know. I don't think I'm going to be watching it. Sounds like you're going to be receiving a lot of things this week. Oh, are you talking about that over there? Is that what you're talking about, Pod? All right, I see how it is. All right. I'd love for Lulu to get like a Hulk candle today so you guys can see more of this in action, but like it doesn't matter. No, we're just going to keep doing what we're doing. It's just simple. Once you guys see how simple what I do in the market actually is, you're going to be like, wait. Why wasn't I doing this all along? And I'm going to be like, don't know, man. I've been showing you guys this stuff for like the last year. Do you speak English? I do speak English. Yeah, so you guys are taking the spots right now for, what do you call it? Snark! Welcome to the group, my man. Everybody give Snark a nice warm welcome in there. And I know there's some more of you guys popping in, though, that just haven't connected your Discord account to your WAP account yet. But yeah, there's only, well, now there's less than 50 spots left for those of you guys that still need to hop in. Lock in the lower rate. That ends Friday or when the 50 spots are taken. J&J looks good. TTD looking okay. Lulu looks pretty good. We'll see what happens with this. My J&Js are up 65%. That's nice. I'd love to see them up more. You know what I'd love to see? 1,000% J&J. I mean, so here's the setup with J&J, guys. Like, this could... So, what strike do I have on this? Okay. J&J, Pfizer news just hit. Oh, what is it? Hold on, yeah, because J&J started popping a little. What's the Pfizer news? Let me see. Trump to announce drug pricing deal with Pfizer. Huh. Interesting. All right, so here's the idea with J&J. So this has a phenomenal weekly chart. Just epic. So when we see things like this, and then we have earnings coming up, what I'm trying to do is hit a first target, make the position free, so sell enough of the position to get my initial investment back plus profits, which I could technically do right now if I wanted to. It's just not like I'd have to sell more than half. And then be able to hold for earnings. And if this gets a positive reaction on earnings, guys, 10,000%, something like that, on the runners, that's what I'm looking to do with J&J. So if we hit this, 183.36, great. I'll trim. Hopefully I'm able to make this position free. If it ends up somehow running all the way up to 186 before earnings, I might trim again and then let it rip. Ooh, market. Death candle. Here comes J. J&J might do it today, guys. Oh, more Pfizer news. Pfizer to sell drugs through Medicaid at lower prices. I don't know why J&J is moving on that positively. That's a bit strange. 75% on J&J right now. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens with this. Ooh, community gains. What do we got? ETR. There you go. Jax, shout out to you, man. Every time I hop back on the STV live stream, he always has something cooking. 500% Etsy. Congratulations. You deserve it. Again, guys, you guys know where to go. If you guys actually want to have success in the market, you want to start taking this seriously, start nailing some of these trades for yourself. Links at the top of the live chat. Use code September. Be one of the lucky 50 people to be able to hop in, lock in the lower rate for LTMP before prices go up. And you guys will be good to go. If not, I'm just going to keep victory lapping every day. Every single day. Well, okay, maybe not every day, but every week. Most weeks. Let's say, oh, J&J. Spike, come on. Let me get some freebies so I can go play for earnings. I mean, we got a lot of time, honestly. Like, earnings are October 14th. So if this happens and we can get some freebies for earnings, guys, that could be, and this continues into earnings, oh boy. Lulu looking decent. We'll see. I mean, I like the setup. These are some of my favorite setups to trade, just not off of a gap. So we'll see. Is Novo getting a pop? Not really. Little bit. J&J's close, guys. Double Johnson's ready to hit that TP. These have got to be snapping a little now. Yeah, 81%. That looks good. So I should be up, well over 100% if we end up hitting that target there. These like to get a little snappy. Lulu's looking good. J&J 190%. Nice. Only 55%, but you have 11/21 expiration. Nice. Yeah, trillion in military spending. I see that. There goes Lulu. It's moving a little. I wouldn't say there goes Lulu. It's looking good. We'll see, and that's the thing. So last week, I think we took a stab at Lulu off of this break here, and then it ended up failing. But Lulu ended up setting up again, and then we might get that push to the upside. Sometimes, guys, these moves take a try or two to nail them correctly. A lot of the time when we hit them, like in Etsy yesterday, or some of these other names that you guys see, like right as our entry hits, like that level is broken, it's just off to the races. You're up like 150% in 10 minutes. That happens a lot. You're able to make it free, you're riding it out to the targets, and then you're able to just continuously hold for that uptrend. Yeah, welcome, guys. First things first, so when you guys do hop into LTMP and you go through WAP, just make sure your Discord account is connected to your WAP account, and try and sign up to WAP with the same email that your Discord account is. It just makes it easier. And then, again, once you guys hop in, I'm going to direct you guys to the start here area. First things first for everybody, it doesn't matter if you think that you're the best trader in the world or if you're brand new, you got to go through the educational curriculum videos because it's going to make everything else make a whole lot of sense, or much more sense. And then if you guys have questions about the content in those, just let me know. I'm always around to answer. J&J is looking for 183 here. Here we go. Yeah, 95% on this right now. So these will probably be up 110, 115, 120%. At that area. SCV, my buddy Kyle just joined. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, we're getting really close here on J&J. Get ready. Get ready, folks. Want to hear a good sound? Ding! That's what I want to hear. I'm up over 100% on J&J right now. 113%. Bing, 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 bing. Love it. I mean, technically, you guys could trim it now at over 100%, almost all of you, if you don't want to just be, it's going. I kind of want to throw a little bit of a wild limit order on this thing. Not gonna. There it is. Come on. Oh, it was so close. Oh, 440% on J&J. Look at that. Was a hater, became a believer, and is now up 440% on J&J. There you go. Come on. Come on. I want to hear it. I want to hear a ding. I want to see if I can get filled at this. They're being a little annoying. We'll see. You want TTD to wake up? That's fine. Lulu doing okay. Come on, JJ. That was really close. So, I don't know, guys. There's another one. How many more are you gonna miss? Jolts out better than expected. Oh, job openings? Let's see if the market can get a reaction on that. Yeah, J&J selling off that now. Or not off, just like off the level there, which makes sense because it's where? This? 183.36. I'm actually gonna throw a little crazy limit order on there and just see what happens. Because I'm gonna be doing stuff today that I won't be able to pay full attention to. Once they start trying to come over here and plug the hole, okay, that keeps coming out wrong. I don't think I can be in here, so like I'm gonna be out and about. I gotta go pick somebody up from the train station. Let's see, what's market doing? Nothing. I'd love to see like 183.50 right here. Bing, that'd be cool. Just a vertical, fuel the jet. That'd be pretty cool. Hit my little bit wild limit order. It'd be 100. Ooh, that'd be like 140%, I think. You guys all know about the intellectual superstar that decided to leave their sync on. Here it comes. I want to hear it. Ding. Come on. You saw about it. Stop. Free J&J and free TTD. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you guys, nobody is doing it like we are in LTMP. These are just base hits right now. They could turn in to multi-1,000% trades. Either way, though, they're all free. Let's see. Hunter says he's up 170% on his account in less than a month. Keep him rolling. Guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. How many... What are you doing? Do you hate money? Do you hate making money? Mrs. Vic's coming to town? I wouldn't say Mrs. There's the link, guys. There's less than 50 spots now to get 50% off your first month with code September. You guys get to lock in the lower rate before the prices of LTMP drastically increase on Friday. Pay attention to pay a premium. You guys are there. Well, that was NVIDIA. Fancy. I'm not trading that, but that looks interesting. 186.69 is the all-time high? Yeah. Yeah, this one. That would be the next target. On J&J. TTD being annoying. I might cut that. I don't know. It's still green. It's just not as green, you know? I really want to hold it, though. We have J&J ripping. LTMP, baby. Yup. That's how we do it. Going through the highs. Yeah, I want to see J&J get a rip candle. Because if you break this, it might shoot. It's possible. Because they sold it off at this level here, because this was a pretty aggressive level. If it breaks that, it might go, whoop, 183.50, 184. We'll see, though. You cut half your TTD yesterday? Yeah. Well, you could have done it today, too, on the move up. Let's see. We got some slackers on the like button in here, too, guys. We'll see. I don't think we're going to hit the 200 like goal today, but I think we're definitely going to hit it this week. NVIDIA approaching 185.5. Is it really ripping that? Where's AMD? My baby gone? Nope. It's moving. That's it. I mean, kind of looks good. We've been talking about this weekly setup on NVIDIA for a while. If you want it, it's there. But here's what I would do. I would probably use this day's low as the stop. Not the week's low, which is like here. Oh, today at the top? Caesar, nice. Neo didn't like those highs? Yeah, no, that's why. It wasn't really a trade setup. That's why I didn't trade it, you know? I'm just like, oh, nice, Neo's moving, you know? Still holding half. Nice. Yeah, Lulu looks okay. That could easily get a split. I want to see. This is the one here, though, guys, that, like, if it rips a little, these contracts can get snappy. Like, real snappy. And if that happens and they hit my fund limit order, I'm going to be a happy camper. Runner on TTD. Nice. Yeah, that was an insane move yesterday on TTD. That's what happens, though, guys. Like, the level on TTD that we were looking at was 47.76, and the thing just ripped into the 50s. That happens a lot. A lot. I think Apex is doing an 80% off sale today, though. Or it ends today. I don't know. You guys want more Apex accounts? Just use code VIX. I make $2. Like, yeah, TTD losing it there a little. I think I'm going to lock it in. Especially going into NFP. Yeah, I don't like that. Get me out. Meow. You're not going to fill me at that? That's rude, but I know you'll fill me here. Why are we keep talking about plugging and filling today, guys? This is ridiculous. This is getting out of control. I'm up 107% on J&J, though. Nice. Love it. Yeah, so I'm out of TTD. I think that was like 50%. In our world, in LTMP world, me being up 50% on a trade is basically break even. It's that roof, man. There's no we, just you. Fair, fair, fair. Fair enough, fair enough. It is just me. Yeah, it'd be pretty weird if you guys were getting involved in that. Sorry. If I show, I could also the plastic wrap, whatever they did to like. You grabbed Lulu? How could you? Hugh Johnson plugging and filling. Yeah, man. I don't know. It's getting a little. We're struggling over here. It's been a fun day. Let's see. Come on, Johnson. Get through that level. I want to hear the ding. Come on. I was really hoping that Johnson & Johnson still owned Tylenol, but they don't. Kenvue does. Come on. 10 cents. 12 cents. 9 cents, I think. Let's go, Johnson. Let's go golfing. I'm having a lot of fun today. We're increasing the cash balance. When ankles were the weird part. Yeah, it's gotten out of hand. It's gotten a little out of hand, guys. What'd you guys do to Lulu? Why would you do that? Oh, Johnson. I think if it breaks that, it might shoot. We'll see, though. Yeah, Lulu has been a little annoying. We'll see. I didn't go crazy with it because obviously it is Lulu, but if it hits, I mean, it'd be fun. If it comes down and hits day low, then I'm out. Johnson! Vito, it could be your expiration. There it goes a little. Let's see, 183.50. What am I up on these right now? Probably a lot. Oh, nice. 126% on Double Johnson. Film me. Okay. Cole, clip it. Cole, clip it. Cole, where are you? That was bad. That was a bad one. That one was not good. That one was not good. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get this order filled here. Got it. Alright. My Johnson is free. We have to stop. We have to stop. This is getting too aggressive. Cole, clip it. Where is he? All right, next target is 186.68. All right. Oh, man. Cole, where are you? You got it? All right, I just made sure you saw that. 600% on J&J. Oh, dear. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. That's probably, I mean, for ST, if this continues a little bit more, that's probably going to be the 24th 10x trade that I've called out in the last 2.5 months that you guys that aren't in LTMP have missed. When are you going to start getting it, guys? Stop cutting my Johnson. No. Wait, hold on. You guys haven't even brought up when my Dick's Sporting Goods position last year. Or I started yelling on Twitter about how I cut it in half. Cole, I can't wait to see these clips later. These are gonna be fun. ST's probably got some that expire this week. Right. So basically done for the day. I mean, we hit our target on J&J there. Lulu's screwing around. Doesn't really matter, folks. 140% on J&J's right here. Bang. 97X. Bang. The future of rock and roll. I was like, don't worry. I got it. Well, this was fun. Market screwing around. J&J looks great. Lulu just chopping around. I don't know. If it hits the... and that's the thing that you guys will start to realize. It's like... I'm fine with taking almost any trade because the loss on it... Unless I get... This is... Alright. Unless I get gapped. Which is very rare. I think you guys have only seen that happen to me twice. It was like Dollar Tree and was it Rivian? Oh, it was a Firm, I think, like last winter. ST, let's see that community gains with the 600% Lulu, man. Yeah, J&J, great move. I'm out of TTD. I just told you guys that. 50%, that's fine. I'll take my money back. 62% on TJX. Nice. Nice, guys. Great work today. Great work across the board. $150% on J&J. I probably could have waited for that order to fill, but whatever. Gold heating up again? Yeah, that was another one of our big 10Xers off of this purple line, the weekly breakout here at 317. Wow. What am I up on gold right now? So if I bought, I bought like 22 grand of it. Not a lot. I'm up 11%. I can't even pay rent with that. What is this? I do like that I have gold, though. Oh my God. John, look at this. Look at this. Go, Johnson, go. Go, Johnson, go. Go, 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 go. 190 strike for 1017, up over 110% now. I think you have the 190? I think I have the 190s. Yeah, I'm up 174%. Yeah, you must not have gotten a grief, Phil. Because they were a little funky. You might have gotten the fill that Cole got, too. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Here's another one that you just saw play out right in front of you. Right in front of you, guys. How many more of these are you going to miss? Seriously. Seriously. So I'll throw the link again to LTMP in the live chat for you guys. Again, I'm being very nice at letting you, like, I'm extending the, the time that you guys have to get in before the prices go up. So it was supposed to be today. But I'm going to let you guys get in there, have until Friday. But, but now there's only 50 spots to get 50% off your first month. And when you guys take those, that's it. Prices go up. So, Micron looking to break out? Yeah, that looks interesting. Johnson, 184. What was the entry for J&J? It was on the watch list. I'll show you where it was. It was right here. It was like 179.40. I've got to be up over 200% on this now. Okay, fine. 172%. I'm never going to financially recover from this. Oh no. AMAT? I don't know. What's it doing? Ooh, that's coming back. Yeah, that's fine. You can keep holding that. Altria getting close? I would be interested in Altria. Where's Lulu? Meh. Is Altria getting close? Because I would actually touch that. Oh my god, I love that chart. I love trading things like Johnson & Johnson and like Altria and like those types of value names because McDonald's, like when they hit, guys, they're big time. The entry was Vic's hole. All right, Caesar. All right, Caesar. That's a little bit too far there, okay? NVIDIA running. Yeah, that was another one on the watch list. I'm telling you guys, think of any stock that's made a massive move. LTMP has been all over it and way ahead of everybody else. I don't know how many more you guys want to see. I'm just going to keep doing this. I said it 5, 10x trades ago, 10, 15, 20. It's going to be very close to 25 10x trades ago. I've been telling each and every one of you guys, I'm just going to keep doing this. It's the simplest and most effective way to go out into the market and siphon out value. Are you convinced yet? Are you? Everybody in LTMP is. Why can't you do this? Oh, I have a job. So does everybody else in LTMP. It's built for people like you that have jobs. You think this takes a long time for me to do every single day? No. Yeah, Altria is getting real close here. Brandon, go look at the watch list, man. See, this is the thing. Sometimes you guys are like, can you put it in the watch list? And I'm like, sure, it's there. And then you guys come to the stream and you're like, what is it? And I'm like, you didn't even look at the watch list. It's a penny high. It's like right here. Ding. Okay, I think I'm gonna sling. I think I kind of want to sling this. Oh, they're being a-holes. That was so rude. That was so rude of them. I'm gonna have a little fun. I'm having a good day today. Oh, got the name confused? Oh, that's fine. So you're already out? It's fine, it looks great. Oh, J&J back over. Yeah, it looks good. Lulu back up. TTD back up a little. What's the yield on this right now? 6.5? Jeez. Gonna swing with my... I am gonna swing the Johnson. Sorry. That was... Okay. This has gotta stop. Cole, clip it. Cole, you've got a lot of clips today, pal. That's a good one for the core template. Johnson. Okay, if we get to 186.68 before earnings, I will trim again on the double Johnson. Catch me if you can. 207% on J&J. Good work, man. Yeah, I like Ultra. Yeah, Cole, you got a lot of good clips today, pal. All right, we got a couple more minutes. And then I gotta get ready for them to come fill my hole. Ooh, I'm up 190% on Johnson. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Love it. This is what we do. What's the market doing? Nothing. Ultra looks good. We'll see if that wants to get a little jumpy. I'd love to see this be up 1% today. Do another 33 cents and just rip a little. That'd be fun. If it doesn't, though, again, guys, think about it. Like, the outcome of one individual trade to me is so incredibly meaningless. Like, it does not matter. Because every one that I look at has the potential. If Altria rips to, like, 67, that's another big one. Like, wait, Classic City Jukebox. You're 24 wins, 2 losses, up $2,600 on a $5,000 port in 11 weeks of LTMP. That's epic. There you go. Are we not looking at 5 anymore? I don't know. I wasn't really looking at that one. I mean, it was on the watch list, but I wasn't really looking at that one. That never triggered for me. Using your Johnson to pay the bills. You guys are the worst. Now it makes sense why so many buyout tickers had such good setups on Dave's list. Yeah. Great day, guys. Great day. Congratulations to everybody that's been in LTMP that has taken the time to learn how to do this. It is significantly benefiting you. And there's still time. You guys have, what, today, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday? To be able to hop in, get 50% off your first month. If all 50 spots get taken, though, which is very likely to happen because I'm going to be posting about it on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, then that's it. That's donezo. There's going to be no more lower price for LTMP. Here's Altria a little. So I'll throw the link in the live chat here for you guys again. But again, pay attention or pay a premium, guys. Each day, it's just going to go lower and lower and lower the amount of spots that are left. There's already been quite a few that have been taken. Altria new highs. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, here we go. We doing it again? Nvidia good? I don't know. I mean, we talked about that a lot this week. I don't really want it. But if you want it, go for it. Okay, they're being rude with the Altria spreads. Guys, my J&Js are only up 188% right now. It's a really supportive group. Thanks, Brittany. Yeah, it's awesome. I love it in there. Sometimes you guys make my brain bleed, but it's pretty rare. It's usually when you guys ask the same question 18 million times that's already been answered in like somewhere where you should have seen it. That's usually what makes me upset. But that's it. Can you set your account to auto renew every month? It does. It does auto renew. But it auto renews at the rate that you join at. Like, it's never going to go up on you. Why would I ever raise prices on people that like are already in? I always... the people that show me that they want to take action are the ones that always get the best deal. Like those of you guys that joined at the very beginning when it was just a video series, you guys have the best deal of all time. The sooner that you hop in, the sooner that you get the best deal. But it's just going to keep getting more and more and more expensive. You have the Super Leafs on Altria from over a year ago? Oh boy. Altria! Come on, baby. Come to Papa. I slung it a little, Daniel. I got the what do you call it? Let me see. I got I don't even want to say it because you guys are gonna start making jokes again. You guys are gonna start making fun of me. Don't grind his gears. You guys are good at grinding my gears. I see it this way. I feel like I don't want to say it because you guys are then gonna make it's close to 70. It's just been a really just immature day with all of you. All right, J&J, great move, man. Where's Lulu? How's that looking? We'll see. But I love trading things like J&J, Altria. They're fun. And when they move, they get snappy. Sofi's tanking? Yeah. Those Altria Super Leafs taking July of 24 up 14,000%. Jesus, Ralph. It's crazy. Crazy, man. So, we'll see what we get for the rest of the week. I mean, we're basically done with J&J. Community gains. Yeah, but I didn't tell. I don't think we actually. Was that at the same time that I gave out Philip Morris? It was close. Yeah, I'm still going like size for zero territory here, guys. I just like the market's a little funky. So I'm not all that crazy about going crazy slinging stuff. But there's still great moves to be had. Let's see here. Uh-oh. J&J falling. Ah! It's fine. It's free. I got free J&Js for earnings now. Oh, same time as PM? Yeah. Yeah, that was a good one. Then Philip Morris proceeded to double. Altria probably did too. Because it was like... it was in here probably. February. Oh, it was like in here, I think. 55, 6. Okay. This is a nasty setup here, though. I love this. Okay, so you could do... we'll see what the contracts are at if it gets up to like 66.73. Big first target, though, 67.50. Yeah, Lulu doesn't look like it wants to play ball. That's fine. Kylito, nice. Your AMAT is now back at 86%. Nice, Craig. Nice. That's good. Yeah, I'm not even really going to pay attention to it. It's not, like, I'm not going too crazy with anything, guys. Like, especially with the Lulu. Because if it hits, it's without... why is Zoom alerting? Oh, downside? Yeah, but that's not a great downside setup there. What's the market doing? Nothing. Zero. Market's doing nothing. Have fun day trading that garbage. We're just going to hit our massive swings on the big time frames. Whew. I'd love to see Altria be up 1% today. That'd be nice. Yeah, and TTD back down. I'm happy with where I took the money back on that one. I mean, the entry was down here, so I was still very green. Not actually, in terms of what we like to see, because that was like, I don't know, 50%. But J&J, 687%. There you go. That's awesome, guys. You bought options on Sofi, not looking good. Why would you do that? This is why LTMP is so important, guys. Because, like, if you understood the concepts in LTMP and just understood and listened to the things that I teach all the time, you never would have done that. Why would you buy options? Okay, the last time that you should have brought anything on Sofi that was, like, mid kind of term there was at the 1360 breakout that I handed you guys for free on a silver platter. Other than that, there's nothing. You're just kind of doing stuff just to do it, you know? But all right, guys, it is about to be 10:30. I got a lot of stuff I got to do today. I got to shower. I got to do all sorts of things. Get ready for my eventful week. So, folks, remember, you guys do have until Friday to hop into LTMP to lock in the lower rate, but there are only 50 spots left. Well, there's less now. There's much less now. I don't know what the exact number is, but there are less spots than I talked about today to hop in to LTMP and get 50% off your first month. So there is the link. Again, I don't know how many more of these you guys want to see. J&J, epic move. I mean, we got some other pretty good ones. Altria could be another insane one. Lulu, I'm gonna give that room to breathe. If it hits stay low, it hits stay low. I mean, that's just how it's gonna work. Another $1 on Lulu, I'm out of it. So, but yeah, guys. I mean, I just continue to prove to you guys every single week, just how powerful what we do in the market actually is. So, for those of you guys that want to take the market seriously and actually start nailing these trades with us, you know where to go. You take that little short period of time to go through that learning curriculum video, it's pretty likely you're going to be the next big success story. So, folks, I will see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day. I'll be around with you guys in LTMP. But other than that, folks, I will see you tomorrow at 9:15. We're going to do another public live day.